Okay, answers to the homework of the chapter 7. A recent study of the hourly wages of the maintenance crew members for major airlines showed that the mean hourly salary was 20.5, with a standard deviation of 3.5. Assume the distribution of hourly wages follows the normal distribution. If we select a crew member at random, what is the probability the crew member earns A. between 20.5 and 24 per hour? So for this kind of question, first we know the distribution is normal distribution, and the question asks us to find out the probability that any person we chose whose salary follow into this range. So first step, we convert this normal distribution into standard normal distribution. That means we try to convert these two numbers into a z-value. Then with the help of the z-table, we can find out the probability that is the area under the curve. So because of the mean salary was 20.5, so the z-value for 20.5 is 0. For the 24 per hour, the z-value equal to 24 minus 20.5, we get the 3.5, then divided by 3.5 equal to 1. Z-value is 1. We using the z-table here for the column handled by the z all the way down to the 1, because the value is 1.00, so we move horizontally to the column handled by 0, so the answer is 0.3413. 0.3413. Then we come back, so the area is 0.3413. This is the area under the curve. That is the probability we are looking for. Means 33.13% probability that the salaries of the crew members gonna follow into this range. Question 2. More than 24 per hour. So again, try to find the z-value for the 24. Because we already get the z-value for 24 from the first question is 1, and the corresponding area is 0.3413. So more than 24 per hour is looking for the area is the right part to the point 24. So how do we find that part? We use 0.5 minus 0.3413. Remember, because the normal distribution is symmetrical, so the two halves around the mean number is identical. So the half of the normal distribution is 0.5, that's 50%. So 50% minus 34.13%, we get the 15.87%. Say less than 19 per hour. So find the z-value for 19 is negative 0.43. Because the normal distribution, the two halves is exactly the same. So if you can find out the area corresponding to the z equal to 0.43, the two areas will be equal. So we're using the z-value, try to find the 0.43. 0.4, go to the first column, we find a 0.4, then move horizontally to 3, so it's 0.1664. It's here 0.1664. So here we find out 0.1664 in the z table, and then the result is, because we need to find out and this 0.1664 is the area for the salary more than 19 and less than 24. So if we need the area, the range for less than 19 hours, we need to use zero point 0.5 minus 0.1664. Well, it's better to find out the result or know how to calculate this with the help of the graph. So if you can draw the graphs or the normal distribution, it will be very, very helpful. If you have any questions about this, please send me email. Okay.